Hey, how's everyone doing today? Today we're going to be going over something a little fun. We're going to be trying to figure out how much wire is left on this reel by taking an ohm reading of the wire, going in our code book, seeing what the resistance properties are of this wire, and then doing a little bit of math to see if we can figure out how much is left on here. So the first thing you're going to need to do is you need to know what kind of wire you're dealing with. So, you can see this one, the top is broken off. This is where the rating normally would be. So you can always find it on the wire itself. So this is number 14 THHN. I already knew that, obviously, because this is my wire. But so I've written down here already, number 14 THHN, black. And now we're going to go into our code book. We're going to need to go to table 8. It is conductor properties, I believe, and that is going to be in the back of the book. So somewhere around here. We are getting closer. This is table 9. Right here, table 8. Table 8, conductor properties. That's what we're going to be looking at here. We're going to be looking for coded. It's going to give us our ohms per 1,000 feet. And then right here is going to be your wire size. So we are going for number 14, right? And we are going for number 14 coded. And per 1,000 feet, we are looking at 3.19 ohms. Okay. So we're gonna just write that down real quick. 3.19 ohms for 1,000 feet. Okay. Now we're going to take the resistance measurement of our wire here. We're going to put it to our reading is going to be 0.1 ohms. Okay. Now our reading is 0.1 ohms. Now we're going to actually divide 1,000 foot by our reading here. Okay. So we're going to divide that. So as you can see here are our 3.19 ohms for our 1,000 feet of number 14 coded wiring. And then of this particular distance is 0.1 ohms. So we took our 3.19 and we're going to divide it by 0.1, which is going to be 31.9 feet. So this is 31.9 feet of number 14 THHN black wiring. This was a 50-foot roll, so some was used off it. I did not know how much. Now I know that on here there's 31.9 feet, which this is good to know, because say I had, you know, say I thought this was a new roll. Say I thought there was 50 feet of wire on here currently, and I had a 42-foot conduit run, right? And then I had it to 2 boxes. You know, 50 foot would give me enough. I would be able to have my 42 feet. Then I'll be able to have 4 feet of conductor in each box to make up whatever I'm making up, a switch or an outlet or whatever it might be. But then I would have pulled this and I would have been short. So it's always good to double check. You know, the only expensive wire is one that's too short. That's what I was always told anyway.